Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear students, today this is our English class. In this class we will learn about verbs. So what are verbs? Verbs are action words. Verbs are actions that we do. Words are actions that we do. Words that tell us what somebody or something does. So you have learned earlier about verbs, that word which tell us what somebody or something does. To make it easy for you to remember them, we call them as doing words. These doing words are actually called what? Are actually called verbs. Yes. Words are the action words. They tell us what somebody or something does. For example, run, dance, jump, sit means Jack run down the hill. The robin played a sweet tune on his pipe. So these are the action words, means run, she was running fast. Dance, she is dancing. Frog jumps very high. Monkey sits on the tree. So these are the verbs, the action verbs. Okay, these are the action words. Action words are called verbs. Yes, action words are called what? Verbs. Yes. Now, verbs, present and past tenses. So, my dear students, you have earlier learned about that one of the things that a verb tell us is what somebody or something does or has done. You must have noticed that a verb also tells us when something is done or was done. In other words, we can say a verb not only tells us about an action, it also tells us about the time of that action. That is, it's something that happens now, or is it something that has already happened in the past? जो हो रहा है और जो हो चुका है. Now look at these two sentences. We played cricket. We played cricket. In the sentence, we played cricket, the word refer to which? Place. The word refer place to an action. To an action that we does now. वो अभी खेल रहा है. Or at present. Okay. And in second sentence, we played cricket. We played cricket. That means the word played refers to an action that we did yesterday, that is in the past. Means उसने खेला था कल या फिर उससे पहले. That is in the past. Yes, the two forms of the verb play, plays and played have been used to show two different times, present or past. We say that the word plays is in the present tense, and the verb played is in the past tense. Means this plays is in present, means continuous, and this played is in past. Okay, now see a tense of a verb shows the time when an action is or was done. Means the tense of a verb shows that the time when an action is or was done. Means this shows that action is doing right now or was done yesterday or previous time. So present and past. Present and past tenses. Now we will learn about present tense and past tense. See, present tense. To show that a word is in the present tense, we either use the verb as it is or add an s or es to it. So, present tense shows that a word is in present tense. We either use the verb it is or add an s or es to it. This means I sleep, we sleep, you sleep, he, she sleeps, they sleep. Means I sleep, single, and we sleep, referring to more than one. You sleep. In we sleep, we are referring to other, including us. You sleep means we are referring to another person. He or she sleeps. In this, we are referring to male and female gender. They sleep. We are referring to more than one person. Means 2 or 3 persons. To show that a verb that ends in a y means in a y is in the present tense. We either use the verb as it is or usually drop the final y and as add ies to the verbs. Yes, to show that a verb that ends in a y is in the present tense, we either use the verb as it is or usually drop the final y and add ies instead of y. See, I cry, we cry, you cry, he or she cries, and they cry. Now see past tense. Past tense. To form the past tense of a verb, we usually add ed to the verb. To form the past tense of a verb, we usually add ed to the what? Verb. Yes. C-A-L-L. Call. E we have to add ed. It's called. Show. To change in past tense means we have to add ed. It's called means showed. Showed. S-H-O-E-D. Showed. Now the last letter of some verbs are doubled when ed is added to them. The last letter of some verbs are doubled when ed is added to them. Yes, see this? Knit, ed. So it is knitted. shop plus we have to add ed. So is shopped. It is shop. Yes. Now see how to change present to past tense. We can change the tense of verbs from the present to the past in many ways. Okay? So we can change the tense of a verb from the present to the past in many ways. See, these are the following are some of the ways in which this can be done. We can change present tense in past tense. If the verb in the present tense ends is yes, tense and in s or es, we drop the s or es and add d or ed. So you can see the example here, present. He washes his own clothes. So in changing the present tense in past tense, he washed his own clothes. As same as like, he likes potato chips. And this is a present tense and we change this, he likes potato chips. In past tense, he liked potato chips. So here the words that ends in s or es, we drop s or es and we write d or ed. If the verb in the present tense ends in ies, we drop the final s, means last s, and we add d. Tries means tried. Cries means cried. Lies, lied. Talks, talked. So, like this, we can change the present tense in past tense. So, this is about the introduction of verbs. Present and past tense and how we change present tense in past tense. So, keep learning, keep practicing. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.